Is your chain making noise? Well, nobody likes a noisy bike, but you'll be glad to know that a little bit of chain care can go a long way when improving the performance of your bike. So here's what you'll need: a chain-friendly degreaser, a lubricant based on your riding environment, chain cleaning brushes, or even things you can find at home like a rag and a toothbrush. You want to choose somewhere you can make a mess while working on your bike. Somewhere outdoors like this, someplace safe at home, or even at your local bike shop. When working on your bike, you can use a repair stand like this, but if you don't have one, that's okay. You can also rest your bike against an object safely, or even flip your bike and rest it upside down and work on it there. First, you want to clean your rear cogs and your derailleur. If these components are too dirty, residue can spread and gunk up your chain. When cleaning those components, you can use professional tools like these or just the toothbrush and the rag. When using these tools, you can use the star-shaped one to clean out any built-up residue, and afterwards, just use the brush to simply clean out the rest. Now, if you choose to use the toothbrush and the rag, you can use the rag to get in between the gears, or you can use the toothbrush just like the other one to clean the remaining residue. When cleaning the chain itself, I like to use the old-fashioned method, which is just your chain-friendly degreaser and a rag. You'll then spray degreaser into the rag and apply the rag onto the chain while pedaling the bike backwards. This will thoroughly clean it. Once your chain is nice and clean, you can go ahead and grab your lube and steadily drip it over the chain as you pedal backwards. This will evenly distribute the oil. Now that your chain is oiled up, you're going to want to give it a few minutes to dry. Once you've given your chain a chance to dry, you want to take a clean portion of your rag and apply it to the chain just to soak up any excess oil. Now that you know how to properly clean and lube your chain, you're going to want to do this frequently. A good indicator is when your chain either starts making noises or if it just starts feeling rough when you're trying to ride. You guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more how-tos from Schwinn on this channel.